Hey everyone, this is Ben with ExploreInformed. I am on location here in Cancun, Mexico, just north in a resort community called Playa Mujeres. I'm staying at the Finest Playa Mujeres, and I'm going to take you on a room tour of my Finest Club Rooftop Terrace room. This room has a rooftop terrace, so there's kind of a junior suite with walkout balcony on the lower level, and then a terrace on top with a rooftop pool, a plunge pool really, a small plunge pool. I'm going to take you on a quick room tour that I filmed yesterday right after I arrived. Let me take you to the walkthrough. So this is a Finest Club Rooftop Terrace room here at the Finest Playa Mujeres. I just walked in the front door. Off to the right here we have a couple closets. This is where you return your dirty dishes for room service. It's kind of a neat little, I guess kind of escape hatch where the service team can come retrieve your dirty dishes. There's kind of a big wall here. Weirdly, not all this is able to be opened, but there is a closet here that has kind of with automatic lights that sense when you open the door, with a robe, safe, some shelves, a place to hang some clothes. And kind of here's the main room. I'll also go back to the bathroom in just a second. Again, this is a kind of a junior suite type thing, which I'll show you kind of the neat feature in just a moment, but there's a king bed here. We just walked into the room a few minutes ago. This is kind of just as it appears when we came in. So a big king bed, kind of some hanging pendant light type things, a huge full-size mirror. If I swing around here, kind of a big L-shaped couch with settee type thing. I think this opens up to, this is actually a sleeper sofa. Yep, looks like it folds out into a sleeper sofa. It's kind of a coffee table, a sitting chair. This room came with a bottle of champagne. There's a big balcony out there, which I'll show you in just a minute. If I swing around to this side, you'll see kind of the big bar and desk area. There's an espresso here with a couple capsules, a couple bottles of water. Kind of down here we have the mini bar compartment, which comes fully stocked with beer, Coke, water, and some candy, some treats. Again, this is an all-inclusive property, so everything is included. We have a desk and a lamp. I'm sure you guys really cared about knowing there's a lamp there. And there's also another mini bar kind of set up over here. There's a couple glasses, some snacks and treats, and a couple bottles of liquor and wine. So there's Jack Daniel's, Sky Vodka, Milagro, Reposado, Tequila, and a bottle of wine. So just taking a step back, this is kind of the sitting area. Again, with a door out to the balcony. Kind of the bedroom here with a big king bed. And I'll show you the bathroom. It's kind of right when you walk in. There's a water closet or whatever you call it. A big double vanity, huge mirror, and then kind of a nice walk-in rain shower, which is pretty cool. And again, the lights, I think the lights are motion sensing. They just recognized when I walked in here. And spinning back around, the amenities are pretty nice, I think. This is a brand that I always hesitate to pronounce because I'm not actually sure how you say it. I like to say Bulgari. So that is the bathroom. I'm gonna swing upstairs, so you'll notice, again, bed, living room, but there's also a staircase. This is kind of one of the neat parts of the room. This is again, a Finest Club Rooftop Terrace, which means there is a terrace or patio here up on the balcony, which I will now show you. So we're gonna walk out on the terrace. You'll see we have a view of the pool, swim up bar, pool, a couple restaurants, and the beach right there. To swing around, we have a big chaise lounge. Right now positioned in the shade, which is nice, a good place to hang out. There's a big couch, a couple of chairs, and a big seating area here. A lamp, in case you're out here in the dark. And this whole area is covered by kind of a wooden shade. It will not block the sun 100%, but kind of provides a nice shade. And then kind of one of the neat features, but maybe potentially overrated, is the kind of plunge pool. And maybe calling this a plunge pool is kind of stretched since it's only like 2 feet deep, but still kind of a neat feature to have in a hotel room. And then around the corner here, there is an outdoor shower to rinse off. There it is. Again, the kind of the cool thing about some of these rooms is just kind of the view. Just some nice outdoor space. You can sit up high, kind of enjoy the view. If you look out far over there, you can see Isla Mujeres, which is kind of the island, and a 20-minute boat ride away. I'm gonna swing back around. We'll go downstairs, show you one more thing. And they left me this cool ball cap, which I will cherish for the rest of my life, and a rose. Okay, and as I mentioned, there's a cool balcony here. I'm gonna slide back the curtain for the big reveal, which won't be that exciting. There's a balcony. But that's kind of a cool chaise lounge, another lounge over there, again with the view out to the pool and the swim up bar, and then ultimately the beach. And then back around this corner, if you slide back this curtain, there's a huge jacuzzi tub, which I suppose is useful, but I'm not entirely sure what for, unless you like to take bubble baths that waste thousands of gallons of water. And there's the kind of chaise lounge behind the lattice wall that you saw just a moment ago. Cheese and meat, it's raining tacos, dum 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 dum, yum 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 yum. So I filmed that room review right after we walked into the room yesterday, just after we had checked in. There's a couple things since then that I've noticed that I want to point out. First is the noise. You probably just heard me singing It's Raining Tacos, the classic hit. There's a ton of noise outdoors, both day and night. There was a wedding super late last night, or going to super late last night. I took a video from inside our room just to illustrate how much noise was making it into the room through the windows and doors at 11 p.m. I'll play that for you now. If you're a light sleeper and you have trouble sleeping with noise, you will have trouble here, given kind of all the activity, at least in the rooms in this building that face the pool. You may have noticed in the room tour there's no dresser, so there's no good place to really unpack all your stuff if you're traveling with a lot or maybe with a large family. There's a nice kind of walk-in closet with shelves, but it's on a dresser if you want to separate things or if you want to unpack anywhere other than the closet. And thirdly, there's no door on the bathroom at all. And the shower is a walk-in shower with no door. So if you like showering in privacy or without other people watching you, this may not be the best room choice for you. So that is the Finest Club Rooftop Terrace room. Again, it's a pretty nice room, multi-level, fun for a couple or maybe a small family. Some of the furniture and fixtures have maybe aged a little bit, but it's a pretty nice room. As usual, you can find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at ExploreInformed, and you can visit us on the internet at ExploreInformed.com. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.